Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Frank Yamaha ka badai ka wei ka company de Shaka balapau nam hapo ka jilla ha ka arpwei tarik unai wing arhaja apusan kala Pyllait Paidbah no saya ka wei ka Shaka Thuk ka ba Kham Pher na ki wei ki Shaka ya ka balatip kum ka XSR155 ya ka bala penlong bat Pyllait Paidbah ha State Central Library Shillong ha kani kasni Pyllait Paidbah ladon lang utrai jong ka Frank Yamaha uba indon lang pasa kakong iwa lingdo kinong tray ka Frank Yamaha bat kinong Shaka ngobha hababata ya ka jinglong jingman kani ka Shaka na kalyang uba sam ulaya thu ba kani ka model kalong ka benta jong ka XSR series kabala pensyong nong rim ha ka style retro bat lashna kat kum ka jingtho ka ba na ka ktien Japan ka baong onko chi chin ka bamut puli ya ka jinghikai barim banang shushu ya ka bathamai ya kan hi ka XSR lawan ra da ka engine 155cc ka liquid cooled ka 4 stroke ka SOHC bat ka 4 valve ka traction control system nalor kata ka assist and slippery clutch ka ban Pynsuk ya kinong nya ha ka baydey bat ka door kani ka Shaka Yamaha XSR155 kasdang na ka shilak sanpuway hajar katkum ka door na showroom.
Regardez, un X350 à la
Bien que le nom est moi.
All the influencers who are here to try to introduce themselves. Influencers who got the test drive. 2, 5. What a beautiful machine it is. Because my name is I'm a professional motocross TV racer, and I'm also the winner of the Yamaha Gymkhana title given 3 times. I own Yamaha rods and I do the discovery. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Hima, and this is my first time. Hope you enjoy.
My name is Pher. I'm running a 2-stroke bike, 135cc RX. So now, wishing all the best for the Frank Yamaha for launching this bike, and I hope that you will sell like fruits and vegetables. Thank you.
If you baro na nakalyang ng Frank Yamaha na ay kulay yaw baro kibala Pyllait por anwan siya kanito unveiling jong Yamaha XSR155 la design but pinwan do ya kanito bay kay Yamaha XSR daga timeless style jong retro Yamaha motorcycle daw pinyo lang but the technologies give it mind, but the performance of a Kham janay. Kani gabay kahap hapo category jong ka retro sport. Tapi wando ya kani gabay yung motorcycle. Hello, kaway ka Japanese concept kabong onko chishin, meaning study the old better to better learn the new. Kamuman Puli yaki barim banang penha yakabatmai. This motorcycle represents a rider who celebrates where we come from and same time embrace where we are going. It's a machine for individuals who believe in charting their own art, who believe in building your own way. Kadang yak traction control system, assist and similar clutch, but kiwi benda kiwa pun klan shushu yak performance choka. Kadang tu ki customize kit kiba ngila ban perkala Shaka scrambler bak kumju ru cafe racer. Ke showroom price jonga Yamaha XR155 kadai silak sampuwe jar tinggal.
recently bought. It's just been about 4 years. I've been riding this bike, going long tours and all that to different states, different districts in Meghalaya itself. I find out it has a different feel. Once you like the echoes, the exhaust load, the engine revving, you can go to a high revving performance engine. You can ride it non-stop. It will give you that freedom power and always put a smile in your face whenever you take the bike. So I think so. My other members also would like to say a few words.
Hello, my name is Nick. I've been riding my RX for more than a decade now. So my experience is like RX is not just a machine, like everyone said. It's not like the emotion. Riding RX is probably, you can't compare riding a 2-stroke with a 4-stroke. So yeah, it's an old bike, but we need to take good care of it. We need love and passion. It's like you can own a new bike, but
Hello. Sure.
yeah, owning this old gem, it's like, these are like fragile bikes. I mean, like not fragile in a way, but I don't know how to say it, but yeah. Riding a 2-stroke, we have been riding quite a lot. We have been riding more than 300 kilometers in one shot. Yeah. But to be able to achieve that, you need to keep your bike in good condition. And keeping the bike in good condition is work respect. But for that, you need a lot of love and passion for the bike. Thank you.
Thank you, Frank Yamaha, for getting us all here. And congratulations on the launch. My name is Roshan. I've been riding RX for almost a decade now. It was a national crush once. My high school sweetheart. I've been riding. I will continue to ride till the end. The other bikes are good, of course, absolutely. But the love for RX is more. The sound, the revving, everything that comes with it. If I have to just put it in words, simple terms, on a chilly day, it would be a blend of Old Monk with hot water. That would set the mood. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Chris and I've been riding RX since 99. And I've had a Yassi Classic 250 also. And all I can say about RX is it's a storytelling machine. And also we should pay a due credit to RX first of all to the RE350. So it's because of the RE350 that the RX 100 came over. And I've ridden RE also, and RE has a different feeling, RX has a different feeling. These two bikes is just like a knife cutting through butter. So all I can say is that the love for RX and RD is just beyond words. Thank you.
Hello. Kan siwa. Ora kita ni mencok lah. Kalau ada nak ni grup macam baik kita update ni tak. Maknanya RX kita lagi license sih. Jadi sebenarnya banyak RX kalau kau buat kondo kalau tak comfortable. It's very comfortable. Di kebar kalau sur macam tak. Di sawah kita banyak RX kalau nak kau sini enjoyment di sini. Kau itu kalau bahas. Sebenarnya punya kan kuni, orang-orang bayar kan kuni. Hanya stick lang maju ini ya sekarang ini mereka entah juga.
Hello. Good morning, everyone. Good evening, everyone. I am Pyllait, and I've been riding for 3 to 4 years now. And I have only one word. Whenever you hear it, you know it's RX. Thank you.
So we started in the year 2015. Just a group of friends who have one mission, have a passion for bikes and to go for a ride. So after that, we come up with the motto, we ride hard for a cause. So this is the motto of our group. So we ride hard for a cause. The reason why we come up with the motto is because since 2015, we have more than 20 members back then. And from these members, we collected a monthly fee or a monthly fee of around 50 rupees back then. 50 rupees only inside. And then from that, we try to extend our helping hands, trying to reach out to families, and we have these annual projects every year. Since 2015, we already have it. We had more than 10 families that we have contributed. We have had, be it the medical expense, be it the school fees of those kids, and especially poor families. And we have different families whom we have helped along the way. So with riding as a passion for the group, we also have this intention to give back to the society that we live in. And especially in these hard times that we live in, we need to reach out, especially to those who are in need of our attention. Be it from all aspects that we need. So we used to gather from all districts. Back then in 2022, it's in Southwest, we had a project in Southwest Khasi, and then Rinpoche district and different districts. We used to go around and look for families who are in need. So these are the motives and the mission of our group, and we'd like to thank Flying Yamaha for inviting us to this event. And from our group, we wish you the best, especially with the release and the launch of this new model of the bike. And I would like to say this to each and every biker group and biker community who are here. We play a very, very important role as role models, especially to these upcoming kids. How we behave will leave a statement, especially to these upcoming generations. So if we tend to have a good motive and lending hand towards society, contributing towards society, we will leave a good footprint for them to follow. So with these kind words, thank you so much.